All right, so today we're going to talk about the city training certificate assignment. So in this one, you are actually going through some training and getting your certificates for that training, and then uploading that to another site where we'll actually submit our uh, institutional review board exemption form. All right, and all that's fancy language to say we're going to be doing interviews in this class, and so those people that we're interviewing are human subjects, and so we're going to do a formal submission for approval for a research project. Okay, and what that allows us to do later on is if we want to actually present this at a conference or submit it for publication, we can do that. All right, and I think that would be a great thing for your program, for your experience in this program if you're able to do that. Okay, I can't guarantee that because all we can do is submit, but I think that's a great thing to try to do. All right, and we have had students in this program present at conferences already. But basically, how this will work, if you see the instructions there, you're going to go to cityprogram.org and you'll register if you haven't done so already. You'll search for Tarleton and then create your account. Okay, and then you'll go through those, and then you'll get directed to complete some trainings. The one that we want you to take is the social and behavioral health basic or refresher. If you have time to take responsible conduct or research, you can. But the one that we need you to take is the social and behavioral research course. If you've already taken it and your certificate hasn't expired, you do not have to take it again. You just basically have to acknowledge that you have completed the training. Okay, if it has expired, then you would need to retake the course or do the refresher. Okay, you're gonna upload your completion certificates at another website called irbnet.org. You'll go through there and create your account, and then you'll upload those certificates to your profile on irbnet. Okay, and because that's the site where we actually submit the documents to get approval from the Tarleton State University Institutional Review Board. They may cover this in the research and the educational leadership course or educational administration course, but basically when you're working with human subjects in research, you need to go through and get approval to conduct that research. All right, and so basically once you do that, then I will go in and create the actual projects for each group and then add you all to the projects. And so I will be able to see at that point, if you've got your, essentially if you have your certificates there, because we'll need to add those to the project. All right, and so we'll work with you. You'll be able to see the documents in RBNet, but we'll basically create a application form that basically describes information from your literature reviews that you do, and then kind of what we'll put together some research questions based on your projects, and sort of explain how we're being respectful about human subjects data and protecting confidentiality and privacy and things of that nature. But I'll work with you on that piece, and so. But the big thing is you getting your certificates uploaded. And so when you submit the assignment in Canvas, you'll type this statement in the text box. So you'll say, I've created the RBNet profile and uploaded my CITI certificates or completion certificates to my RBNet profile. So that lets me know I can go into RBNet and find your information, find your profile, find your certificates, and include those in the project. All right, that we'll submit. So that's kind of a nutshell, or in a nutshell, what this assignment is, why we do it, and how it has value to you in terms of your future careers as educational leaders. All right, because what will differentiate you from every other person who has gone through one of these types of programs is you'll have some experience with educational leadership research. Okay, and that is an important skill for your career, and can also be a credential that can help you in the future as you go through your job opportunities. So, all right. Well, if you have any questions, again, reach out to me in the Canvas inbox, and let's get started.